do we want it? I can tell you all as the new state director of Organizing for America, but simply a community organizer like everybody in this crowd. I remember in the winter of 2007 when then candidate, unknown, Senator Barack Obama said, if I become president, I am going to take on health insurance reform as my first issue. Well, I am here today to say that he made good on that promise and the American people stood behind him. This has been a long and arduous road to this point. There have been highs, there have been lows, there has been a lot of misinformation, and I am here to say that we still have a little more work to do. We need to get all Americans who support reform involved in this process. This is not just about us believing in our leaders in Washington. It's about us believing in our voice and our role in the process.
Yes.
In support of reform that is going to bring the largest middle-class tax cut in history. In support of reform that is going to give billions with a B to small businesses so they can be more competitive by offering their workers health insurance. This is about reform that is going to end some of the most egregious practices by the health insurance industry. So you cannot be dropped from your coverage because you become sick, or told you will have to pay more premiums just because you're a woman. Tomorrow is our day. That is why we are here today. We need to take to the streets. We need to scream from the mountaintops that we need reform. We need reform now, and we will get it done. What do we want? Healthcare. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Healthcare. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Healthcare. And when do we want it? Now.
We're ready to march.
All right.
Okay, let's have that. We're going to go down here.